don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenza TV. It's the Petro Premiership. London Pirates 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 2. I'm joined by Uprap Wons.
Aye, Tibo.
Yeah.
Coach yethu. Hayi khona.
Kala Buti.
Coach.
Yeah.
Mbuthuma.
1.
Unemthatshela.
2.
Tito arrogant. Tito wathe i-coach mayimkhipha wabuza i-coach ukuthi ukhipha mina.
Kanjani?
Ukhipha mina kanjani? Shotiswa uwe. Yeah, wonke le game le umuntu ehambisile ucoach.
Kahle.
Coach i-problem yakhe no master chef, problem yakhe no wana sesi asingeni thina singama fans wePirates. Thina sifuna iwin. Let's expect iwin. We are highly disappointed ngecoach yethu. Coach yethu uyasicosta each and every game.
Too much.
Each and every game. Mela ngabe sekabonile ngonemthatshele Mbuthuma ukuthi ayikhona. Abasebenzeli. Una how many goals Mbuthuma? Udlala each and every game. Uyawathola ama game each and every game. What does it do?
Nothing.
Salimala Tibo kakhulu. Coach, ego yakho namanye ama player na problem onayo. Sicela ungayihlanganisi nama fans wePirates. Siyalimala thina sisuke ekutheni and sizubhlungu makunje sizubhlungu.
Yeah.
Siyabonga thina.
Squad.
Sharp.
Thank